Lewis House sent me something in the mail. His new book. Now, one of the things I want to point out, I get sent a lot of books because I run the Business and Growth Book Club, but I have never gotten a book in a package that looks like this. I mean, look at this. I appreciate you and his signature. And I'm going to share with you the unboxing. So when I open this, flips open, and you can rewrite the story of your past to propel you forward into a brighter future. So it's got a quote up at the top. It's got, looks like the book right on top with a thank you note. And when I lift out the book, which by the way is a nicely bound book, look what else I got. This little notebook. It says greatness right here. And when I open it up, it's one of those that's got that thing. So it's for taking notes and marking my place. And then, okay, when I take everything out of the box, there's yet another quote. You are loved, you are worthy, and you matter. Listen, if only because of the packaging, this is an amazing book. This is definitely going on the book club, so if you would like to be a part, join me on the Business and Growth Book Club. You'll find the landing page for everything that means on my website, but definitely, probably next month, this will be the book. And I think it's gonna be amazing because he does nothing second class. Okay? Wanted to share that with you and encourage you to get your copy because next month, that's what we're diving into.